Hey everyone, so welcome to my video. Today's video or series of videos is going to be 10 ways to curl your hair without heat. Now these are just things that I'm doing that have been tried and true throughout the internet, and I figured I would show 10 ways. Now this is going to take 10 days for me to film because usually you have to do it on damp hair. My hair isn't wet right now, but I am going to be spritzing it to get it damp. And the first way is using a headband. So this is our headband, which is kind of hairy. In the pictures they showed using like a smaller elastic, but I'm going to try this. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair and then spritz it with some water, and then we will wrap it around the headband. So I'm going to brush my hair. Okay, my hair is brushed, so now I'm going to spritz it, and you don't want to soak it or it won't work. I'm just going to run my hands over it. Alright, so the way you're supposed to do this is you put the headband around your head like so, and you are going to look like you're doing karate or something. I actually may try to make this smaller. Yeah, I'll do it that way, because the elastic I seen them use was a lot smaller. Bangs. I need to get my bangs out. Alright, so what you're supposed to do is twist your hair like this and twist and wrap it around. Keep twisting and adding hair all the way around the elastic. If you can see that, you just twist and wrap it around the elastic. Okay, so I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure some of the sections that want to come out, so I will be right back. Okay, my hair is wrapped all around this. I just twisted it and kept wrapping it around the headband, and I'm going to show you what it looks like all the way around my head. So I'm going to go to bed, and then I will be back in the morning to show you how the hair turns out. And then later that night I'll record a second way to curl your hair without any heat. For 10 days I will do this, and just stick along with me and we'll see which way works the best. Talk to you all soon. Hey everyone, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to go out, so let's go ahead and see if this method worked. I should have tested this before I tried this, but I'm going to go ahead and take it down. I did use bobby pins to hold back my bangs so they don't get dirty, but it did stay up all night and it was pretty comfortable to sleep in. So let's see. I don't even know how to take it down. How do I even? I guess. You guys, it actually worked. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's just a little bit confusing to get it all out of the hair bow. That one's a little bit crazy. Let me zoom out so you can see what I'm... Oh, I'm zoomed out enough. Okay. So now I'm just going to try and figure out how to style this craziness. So I'm going to break some of these apart. The ends didn't turn out too great. Like, it curled right here, but it didn't do that great like down here. So, I guess since that happened, I'm going to do like a voluminous ponytail. So let me get a hair tie and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and I did have to curl a lot of the side of my hair, and this was supposed to be heatless. So I know what happened. My hair part has a lot of hair going to this side, and there was just so much hair that it didn't curl properly. So if you do this method, make sure that you part your hair down the middle and work around all the way to the back. I'm going to show you the side that did work, and I have it clipped back. This side actually worked out really nice. It's voluminous and full, and this side I had to use my curling wand with. So this one was kind of like, it worked, but then again it didn't. But I'll be back later to show you the sock curl method, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen that method, but we're going to do it, and I've used it before to curl my hair, so I know it works. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you all later after, before I get ready for bed. Talk to you all soon.